Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. I am Professor Smita Mangesh and today's topic that is a loop in C. Now over here we are using different types of loop such as while loop, do while as well as for loop to print the numbers in between 1 to 10. So first of all we will see about the while loop. So over here, once you will create the structure of C, within the initialization part, we have initialized x variable value that is a 1. After that, over here, while loop get created. X value is less than and equal to 10. We want to print x value. So first of all, it will print x variable value that is initialization value 1. So it will print 1. Then cursor will go on the next line and then x value become 2. So this will get repeated this loop till x is holding value 10 and accordingly we are getting the output. Next, with the help of do while, now this program we have divided into two parts, do as well as while. So within the do, which things you want to perform? That is your printing the x value as well as incrementing that x one by one. And of course within the while my condition is there. That is x is less than equal to 10. You can see over here whenever we are using do while statement, while will always enclose with semicolon sign. But if you are using only while loop, there will not be any semicolon sign. Now, over here, while always hold the conditions. Now, same program we can do with the help of for loop. Now, for loop is having the advantage of initialization, condition as well as your test. That is either increment or decrement. So within the one for loop, we are doing the do part as well as condition part also. That is a while part. So this is the advantage of for loop. So these are the three different loops that used to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Moving further, that is if condition. So now we will see the program to print even number by using the if condition. This is a print statement. Print all the even numbers. Scanf is allowing user to enter the value for n variable. Now over here we have used the for loop. I variable is holding value 1. I is less than and equal to n means whichever value user will enter. So it is going to check over here. It is checking my even condition. Okay. After that, within this for loop, we have used one more if condition, that is I module by 2 equality to 0. Means if that number will get divided by 2 and if I am getting the remainder 0, so of course that value become my even number, so it will print that. So this is a simple C program printing all the even numbers from 1 to n number. N number means whichever number user will enter. For example, user is entering number 10. So it will print all the even numbers in between 1 to 10. If user will enter number 20, so all the even numbers in between 1 to 20. Let's see the output. So if user has entered the value 10, 100. So in between 100, all the even number list I am getting over here. Next part. Next program we are going to see about the odd numbers. Now just vice versa we have to do. Same coding is over here, and that is it is just setting the upper limit from the user. This print statement will print as it is all the odd numbers. For loop is allowing user for incrementing one by one, checking whether the number is odd or not, and it will print one by one. Now, of course, condition get changed over here. Previously, we have used the condition like if that number get divided by 2 and answer if we are getting 0, that is equality to 0, then only it is even. But now, if I'm not getting the remainder 0, then that number become the odd. So this condition get changed over here. That is I module 2 not equal to 0. Then it will print all the odd numbers. So this is my all the odd numbers in between 1 to 100. Now next program, to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to n. Over here, printf statement, it will print as it is n variable for out input. Then the loop get created to find the sum of all the numbers. So whichever number upper limit user have set, it will store within this loop and it will find out the sum value of it, and of course it gets stored within the sum variable, and that we have mentioned within the printf statement. So it will print sum of the first 10 natural numbers because upper limit is 10. Next program, to find out the sum of natural numbers in given range. So range if you want to set. So over here we have used two variables. One is for the lower limit and second one is for the upper limit. So that's why two different variables we have used over here. Same will stored within the scanf, that is for input process. Then for loop will find all the sum of given number and then accordingly it will print my upper limit, lower limit as well as sum of all the numbers. So accordingly I am getting my answer. Thank you students for watching my video. Keep viewing my videos and don't forget to like, subscribe as well as share.